Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Now guys, all the wigs, they come in a box. We are gonna go inside to see the package. Get a wig cap. Matter of fact, we get 2 sets of wig cap. Let's open this. Wig cap, lashes, makeup brush, and a hedge tie. It's a 16 by 4.5 lace, which is the first time I'm gonna wear it on a blonde straight 24 inches. We are gonna go inside the bag. See, I'm super excited because I've been rocking this color here and I absolutely love it. So let's go. The wig is secure, of course, and I love the lace. Oh, this seemed like an everyday wig for me. Okay, Nadula. Okay guys, look at this. They already cut the lace off, which is, yeah, this is ready. Like, slip it on your head. The cap is breathable. Look at that. Oh, and we have a adjustable band on the wig, of course, so you guys can do this glueless. Love this wig. This is like a birthday vibe wig for me. It's very light and I love that. There's streaks of color inside of this wig. It is 24 inches. Absolutely beautiful. The lace, let's dig into the lace a little bit more, because this is the seller right here. It's already pre-plucked. All we have to do is add some makeup. There's a part, so we're definitely gonna do a center part. And this wig is beautiful. There's not a lot of work. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's just ready to wear all over. All right, thank you, Nadula. We're gonna style this wig, which is literally gonna take like 15 minutes, and then we are gonna install it. So stay tuned. Beautiful. Alright y'all, we finna put this wig on. We can do it glueless. Let me just see how it looks. I was about to do my makeup before, but I was like, let me do the hair first. Alright, this is it. I don't even think we need a cap, girl. I am not gonna put on a cap. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's lightweight. Oh, hold on, let's put some things on it. this is the simplest, most easiest, I don't know what to say. This wig is just literally slip on, and I think it's gonna be my favorite because this color suits me so much. I literally didn't have to do much with the flatting. Let's just finish this and come back. All right. Oh my god, this is beautiful. All right guys, look at that melt. Nadula, listen, y'all better go over there because I tell you, I don't even need to have no foundation right here, but just because I think this is like an easy slip-on wig for me, vacation vibe, like you don't have to worry about anything. I'm not even gonna add any baby hair. All I'm gonna do is use the iron. And I'm gonna do my makeup now. Guys, I am going to do my makeup. This is a simple hairstyle. I'm gonna get my makeup done. I will be back, talk about the quality of this hair, the color, the lace, everything about this wig. It's a must. Slip-ons, take off, that's what you need for the summer. Nadula hair, you did this one. It's very lightweight. The band is adjustable. I didn't have to do nothing. You don't have to spray anything. This is glueless. Save your hairline, ladies. Like, I'm telling you, all I'm gonna do is after my makeup is done, I'm gonna wipe this area and boom. Also, the lace is a 6 by 4.5, so it's extremely all the way to the back. You know, very thin. Everything is already done. All I did was added some makeup to the lace, not makeup but just powder to the lace, and that's it. It is perfect. Let's get this makeup done and I'll be back. Wait for it. All right guys, the hair, the makeup, everything is complete. This hair feels so good. Thank you, Nadula hair. Let's take this thing off. Like, there's oh my god, we don't need nothing, girl. Look at that. Just look at that. This is the wig, y'all. Make sure you go and shop. Everything will be in the description down below. It is beautiful, matches my complexion. I love it. This is like a birthday vibe. You know what kind of vacation vibe? It's summer. You guys ain't gotta worry about nothing because you got the perfect wig. All right, thank you, Nadula again. Can make it glueless. All I did was add some spray. That's it. But it was completely like you can make it glueless. It doesn't need anything. If you're not a baby hair person, you ain't gotta worry about that. It is perfect. Let's get into this. Check the description. It's 24 inches, 6 by 4.5 lace closure. So it is really, it's like a frontal. The lace is completely HD because the quality is amazing. It is everything. So if you're not a person to do baby hair, this is the wig for you. And the color is amazing as well. I'm pretty sure it will matches any complexion. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get into this slow-mo and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please check the description. Bye.